Hello everyone, today we will be doing another coding lab problem, and we will be doing Logic-1 again. We're doing problem date fashion. Problem date fashion reads, you and your date are trying to get a table at a restaurant. The parameter u is the stylishness of your clothes, the range 0 to 10. And date is the stylishness of your date's clothes, also in range 0 to 10. The result getting the table is encoded as an int value with 0 equals no, 1 equals maybe, 2 equals yes. If either of you is very stylish, which is 8 or more, which means that the parameter u or the parameter date is greater than 8 or more, then the result is 2, yes. With the exception that if either of you has a style of 2 or less, then the result is 0, no. Otherwise, the result is 1, maybe. So, let's look at the first three examples here. So it says that u is 5 and date is 10, which means that you automatically get 2 since date is greater than 10. You're greater than 8, I mean. And for a second one, since your date has below average taste in clothing, you get printed 0. And since both of you are neutral in the third one, you would print 1. So you would start this by looking at this part here. Since it says with the exception, you would have to check for that first, which means that you would have to go if u is less than or equal to 2 or date is less than or equal to 2, then you would return 0. Else if. So otherwise, if u is greater than or equal to 8, sorry, I got an update here, and your date is greater than or equal to 8, then you would return 2, which is the next one. And for the last one, you would just return 1, since any other time you would get printed 1. And that should work. Thank you guys for watching.